Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how we can simply go ahead and change shipping address on eBay. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, now we will simply start our video. For the matter, the first thing that you have to do is you're going to access a particular eBay on your mobile phone, and then afterwards you're going to find this kind of interface, right? So if you're going to tap on this my eBay option given below, and you're going to tap on this particular account name of yours on top. So here in this section, if you tap, you're gonna find this information regarding you, right? Afterwards you're gonna go back and tap on this option of settings just below, and on top you're gonna find this option called delivery address over on top. Go ahead, tap on it, and now first thing you can do is you can simply tap on this plus icon, and now you can add another address and tap on this set as a primary delivery address, so it will simply replace the previous one, and tap on done. It's now saved. And then other would be if you want to simply edit something on your listed address of yours, you can tap on that particular address just like that, and you can re-edit according to your need. And once you're done, tap on this done option on top left corner, right corner of the screen, and then you will be done. That is how we can customize or change your address on eBay. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.